Hi guys, welcome back. How are you all doing today? Today I want to recreate one of my old looks, which I'm really proud of and I really like. It's this one right here. I did it years ago and I would really love to recreate this one for you because I think the design of Pennywise, especially in the more recent one, is very iconic. Like, you do two lines going up your face through your eyes, you immediately know which clown we're talking about. It's so iconic. I'm so impressed with the makeup artist that I went and bought the book. This arrived today. I'm really excited about it. I feel like this is absolutely iconic. I really like it, okay? I think the design's amazing. Makeup artists, you did fab.
Yeah!
As always, I've already gone in and done my foundation base, and now I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna do my contour. Now, this look should be pretty quick to do and would be really good as a last minute Halloween makeup look, and you can honestly wear it with anything. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow base, so let's work on the eyes. I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Obsession Black is the new black palette. I love this palette because it's got a lot of dark tones. A lot of my palettes, they have a lot of really bright colors, which are very fun, but sometimes I really want darker for shading. I do actually really like this one, and it's super cheap as well, so I really do recommend this palette. Okay, so I'm going to go in with kind of like a rough smoky eye. So I'm going to be going in with the light gray just here. I'm going to create a shape around there. I used to put a lot of focus on really high-end makeup, and honestly, over the past year, I've been definitely looking more towards the more affordable makeup, especially ones that you can find in drugstores. They've really upped their game over the past few years, especially because it's just more affordable for the everyday user. Makeup Obsession is actually really nice. I really like the formula. Okay, so now that I'm happy with this shape I've got going on here, I'm gonna go in with the more medium smoked just here, and we're gonna darken that around this area. Now what we're gonna do is we're just not gonna pull it out as far as we have the other one. When you're blending, one of the tips I can say is you need to take note of the pressure of the brush that you're applying to your skin, as well as going in small circular motions. But also, if you are struggling with that, you can hold the brush further at the end, and that should help you with controlling how much pressure you're putting on. That should be able to help you a little bit with blending. Everything else is up to you though, and it is practice. Cool, and then I'm finally gonna go in with what I have left of this black, which you can see I use a hell of a lot, and I'm just gonna tuck that in as close as possible in here. One thing I can also say that I have noticed is a lot of people worry very much about bringing their eyeshadow a lot higher. A lot of people do tend to just go with what is exactly on their eyelid. Especially if you're just at home, do give it a go and just try it. Just going a little bit higher, because I think we assume initially, if you've never done it before, that it's going to be very dramatic. But really, it kind of does give you some of the balance that you probably are seeking, and you're wondering why it doesn't normally look like that. Like, don't end here. You can add the gradient up a little bit higher. I would like to add a little bit of a cut crease in, so I'm going to go ahead and put some concealer on the bottom part of my eyelids, and then we're going to look up, and then we're going to create the shape. So now I'm going to take this shiny one and I'm going to pop that on my crease. Now I'm going to go back in with the black, and I'm just going to slowly blend these two together. I'm going to take Pop Off Sis by the Illuminati Kaleidoscope Dreams palette by Makeup Obsession, and I'm going to put that on the inner eye corner just here. So now, to help me structure the shape, I'm going to start creating the lines, and then we'll finish up the eyes later. So I'm going to be taking Lava from the Kaleidoscope Dreams palette, and we're going to start marking out the Pennywise smile. Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a black liquid lipstick, and then we're going to start drawing in the bats. I finally got myself a brand new black liquid lipstick, and I'm really excited to try this one. It's from an independent company called VE Cosmetics. Okay, so I'm just tapering the ends with a liquid liner. And now we're going to draw bats going all the way up getting smaller and smaller. We want some bigger bats around here and some tiny ones. I'm going to use a reference photo, which I can stick up here. And this part is probably the most tedious, but it's well worth it. One of the key parts to this look is that you really want to vary the size of the bats. I only have 2 very large ones because otherwise it's going to be a bit too much on the face. Okay, so now that I'm happy with the bats, I'm going to go in and I'm going to finish the eyes. I'm going to go in with a long line. And I always love adding in the little lower lashes in the far outer corner because I really think it makes it look a little cute. Now I do think with this look that it makes my eyebrows a little pushed back, so I'm going to go in with my NYX That's the Point marker and I'm just going to slightly brush them up because I feel like it just gives it a little bit more definition and I prefer that for this look. I think it makes it more balanced. I'm going to line my lower waterline with my eyeliner. This one's the NYX Jumbo pencil. You can sharpen these. NYX sell their own sharpener and I think this was about £3.50 for me, and the Jumbo pencil, it's basically designed for that, so you can sharpen it. I've had a few people tell me they can't. Alright, now I'm going to finish up this look by going in with a gold highlighter on my cheekbones and possibly a little bit on my nose as well, and then we'll be done. And that's all I've got time for you guys today. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts. I post different things each and every place, so I highly recommend you follow me there. Thank you so much again for watching, and as always, we'll be back next week with another makeup look. If you ever have any questions, please leave in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys, bye!